Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get PandaBuy coupons and shipping for free using this cool app that you can download and install in your own device, whether you have Android or iOS. So I'm gonna be showing you guys using my own phone, just how it works, and also how you can download and install it yourself, so you can easily follow along step by step. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, so before we continue, I just wanted to show you the app and how simple it is to use. So it's this one right here called PandaBuy++. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you like the example that I have here. So as you can see, this is my estimated cost for shipping. So I'm just going to click here where it says glitch coupon, and once you do that, the coupon is activated and shipping is now free. So when I click OK, my estimated cost is now totally free. So how cool is that? Basically, if you also want to be able to do that for yourself, then let's go ahead and continue with the tutorial. So first of all, if you are an iOS user like I am, we do need to click our settings app and make some adjustments. However, if you are an Android user, you don't have to worry about these next steps. Okay, so once we're in our settings, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to head to battery. And then here we just want to confirm that we have low power mode turned off. So if by any chance you do have it on, just make sure that you click on it and you turn it off. And also make sure that you have at least 10% battery so that when you're going to try to download the app, it doesn't, shut down or something. So make sure you have enough battery for that. All right, so heading back to our settings menu, we're going to click General, and then we're going to click Background App Refresh. And here we just want to make sure that we select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Either or is fine, just make sure that it's not in off, okay? So that when we're trying to download and install, we don't run out of data or something, okay? So super important to have either one of these two selected. Okay, so heading back to our general settings, we're going to click in our About Now. And here we just want to confirm that our iOS version is at least iOS 11. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, make sure that you upgrade your iOS, since the app will most likely not be compatible if you don't have at least iOS 11, okay? So make sure you do that before you try to download the app. Okay, so if you have iOS 11 or anything above, you're good to go. And now we're going to head back to our settings menu, and we're going to head down to where it says Safari. So look for Safari and click there. And then once you're here, you're going to go all the way down to where it says Advanced. So click Advanced, and here you just want to make sure that you enable JavaScript. So if by any chance you do have it turned off, just click the slider and turn it on. JavaScript allows us to actually be able to load our web page properly and also download and install our app properly. All right, so that's basically it for our settings adjustments. Now for Android and iOS users, we're just going to go ahead and click on our default web browser. And now we're going to type in the name of the web page where we can find our app, which is vivahelper.com. So go ahead and click go. And then once you're here, you're just going to type in the name of the app in the search bar, which is the PandaBuy++ app. So once you find it, just click on it. And then you're just going to get this pop-up here. Just click download now. And then we're just going to give it a few seconds for it to finish downloading here in the website before we continue with the rest of the tutorial. So as you can see, it's pretty quick, so it doesn't take very long. And we're almost there. All right, so once that downloads there, you're going to get this notification. Just click allow. And then it's going to say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close, and you can exit out of your web browser. And now we're all going to head to our settings app. And basically we're going to look for that profile downloaded notification wherever it may be in your device. So in my case for iPhone, it's usually up here. So once you find it, just click on it, and then your app is going to pop up like so. So basically we're just going to finish installing it. So just type in your passcode if you have one. Okay. So then it's going to say next. So just click next, and then install up here and down here. And then lastly, just click done, and that's basically it. Once you exit out of your settings, your app is gonna be right there in your home screen with the rest of your apps ready to be used. So yeah guys, that's basically how you can get PandaBuy coupons and shipping for free. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.